In this video, we're going to calculate the area of a rectangle. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the area of the rectangle? We have a rectangle with a side length of 10 centimeters and a width of 2 centimeters. The area of a rectangle is equal to its length times its width. So this is the width, this is the length. Area equals length times width. So area equals 10 times 2 for this problem. So when you multiply 10 times 2, you get 20. So the area equals 20 centimeters squared. Area is always measured in square units. And finally, remember that area is the amount of space something covers. And that's how it's calculated. The length times the width will tell you how much space is covered by this rectangle. And that's it. That's how you calculate area. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, you could just rewatch the video. As well, check out the description. I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along in the ebook with this video as you read the ebook. And make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching.